Are we going home to Arizona? Are we in the car? Are we going for a ride in the car? Yeah, we are. We're gonna go home to Arizona. What do you think? What do you think? Are you getting tired of being in the car?
He is. He's active right now.
Are you tired of being in the car, baby? No. What are you doing? What? You got something to say? Are we there yet?
What's the problem?
He's gonna start crying in a second.
What is he doing?
Gosh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
What's wrong with him?
I don't know. I think he's dead in the car. What's wrong?
Something's on his mind. Did you drop his phone?
No, it's back there. What's going on? What do you want?
Look at this dog. Oh my gosh.